Good day everyone. In our today's class we are going to look at how to upload either ebook, paperback or hardcover or series page on your Amazon KDP account. It is very easy. As soon as your book is ready, all you need to do is just to sign in into your Amazon KDP account. As soon as you sign in into your Amazon KDP account, this interface you are seeing on the screen will be displayed to you. Then all you need to do is to go on Create. You click on Create, you can see the cursor there. Just click on Create, this will pop up. Then you can see a column for create ebook, create paperback, create hardcover. Whichever one you are doing there is what you click. Now let's take, for example, we are creating Kindle ebook. That's where my cursor is now. You click on Kindle ebook, that's create. So let's click on create and wait a bit to see what will come up on the screen. Wait a bit. Now you can see what you have on your screen. Now with this, now all you need to do is just to come to here. You put your title. Let's say you are writing ovulation. Now you write your title now. Then the next thing is to write your subtitle. You can put birth control. I'm just assuming. Now the next thing is to put you scroll down to where you have your author name. Put your author name. Let's say you have Smith Ben. Now if you have contributors, that is those who contributed during the writing of the book, you can include such person's name. In the absence of that, you leave it because it is optional, not really compulsory you put it. Now you come back to description. Description is very important while trying to upload your book, because that's one of what will sell your book. So good description is very necessary. You can read more on YouTube, on my channel, to know more about how you can write a successful ebook that will promote description rather, that will promote your book. Now let's continue from here. Just type your description, and after that you come back to select I own the copyright rights and I hold the necessary publishing rights. This is showing that you are the one that actually write the book yourself. As soon as you know you are the one that actually write the book yourself, all you need to do is just to click this I own the copyright and I hold the necessary publishing rights. Having done that, you click again to select your 7 keys. All these are very important. All you need to do here is just to go and look for your key. Now you can go on my YouTube channel as well to read on how you can select a successful keys for your ebook, paperback, hardcover. You should know that selecting your key is one of the very important things that you must learn a lot about. In fact, if I may advise you, I will advise even before you start writing this thing, as soon as you have the topic that you want to write in mind, ensure you first know how you can search for the right key. Look for an optimized topic and look for a better key that will promote your book. With good keys, your book will go very far and you make a lot of sales. Now, having done this, let's say we have ovulation kits, we have kits. Let's say we have one of it to be kits. We have tracker. It's not really necessary you put the whole 7. If it's just 3 that you can see, you are good to go. So having done that, go to category. Here is very important. Category is very important. It's very important while selecting or while trying to upload your book. So here you just need to click on it. After clicking on it, you select if your book is fiction. If it is not fiction, you select the one your book belongs to. My book I'm trying to upload belongs to non-fiction. Then I will select from here the one I'm to use. I won't do this for you. You do this yourself, but I will show you a sample of a completely filled section of this after explaining everything about how to upload your book on Amazon KDP. Now let's go to this place. Is optional. Children, whether it is children book, so the age, or you may not put that one. Then the next thing you are going to do is to click on next. Now this does not permit us. Why? Because we did not fill in every necessary thing that we're supposed to fill. Let me just put a little thing in this description, then you see it will allow me to move on. Now let me go by selecting one category, at least one category. Let me go into non-fiction. Let me just pick one under business. You can go and read more on how to select categories. It's very necessary so that you can upload your book in the proper shelf. Now you click on save next. You can see it accepts it now. Then it will move you to the next page. Let's wait for the next page now. Now here is the next page. All you need to do, since it's ebook, you click on yes. Even if it's not ebook, you click on yes. You upload your book here and you upload your cover. If you are using Amazon cover, a generated cover from Amazon, I mean, if you want to generate your own cover from Amazon, you can just launch this directly. But if you are not generating from Amazon, you can just come here and click on upload a cover you already have, but it must be in JPG/TIFF only. Then with this now, having select that, you can now click on this to upload, to select your cover, already designed cover. Remember, if it is an ebook, you don't need to just disturb yourself. You just need your image, your design, the cover, the cover you design with your Canva or CorelDRAW. You can just, in as much as it is in JPF or TIFF only, you can upload it. Now the next thing you are going to do, having upload your ebook manuscript and your cover file, you go straight to what? It's very important to preview your work so that you know whether it is in the right right form. Let me take a good sample from here. Let me look at a good sample of the one I've done before, the one I want to upload. Now let me click on this. I have a copy. Now here is a sample. I fill this, fill the subtitle, fill the name of the author, I fill the description. I've selected I own the copy and I own the necessary publishing rights. I've selected the 7 keys. I've selected the categories to which the book I want to upload belong to. Then I've selected, all these are not necessary, I said it previously. So all I just need to do is just to press save and continue. then it will take me to the next phase. Now my next phase, in my next phase, I have, wait a bit for it to show up. In my next phase, you are going to select yes, I've done that, and I've uploaded my ebook manuscript. You can see it has checked for error, no spelling error, it is correctly done. Then I've uploaded my cover file. Then the next thing is you launch it. It's very, very important. Just launch it. You need to launch it. Wait a bit for it to show up. Now you can see it. This is what you have. Then you can just preview your book to see if it is in the right order. That's all you need to know about this place. Then you go back and click on where the cursor is, save and continue. We are going to the next phase of the work now, the uploading rather. So let it show up. The next thing you will see is this. You select enrolled. You check on enroll my ebook. Enroll my book in KDP Select. Then having done that, you ensure you see if this place is in Amazon.com. If it is Amazon.com, you are good to go. The next thing is to set your payment is to set your payment. You have 35, you have 70. You click on 70 and set the price you want for your book. So this book I'm uploading now, I'm setting a price of $2.99. And here now, this is delivery, and why this is my own royalty. My royalty is 2.08. Now the next thing is, having done this, you don't need to disturb yourself. All you need to do is to check if it is in order, then you can now upload. So you can see here, publish your Kindle ebook. Like I said earlier, the last thing is to publish your Kindle ebook. Click on publish your Kindle ebook. After cross-checking that all what you've done are intact, just click on publish your Kindle ebook, and that is all. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. More and more that you need under Amazon KDP will be explained better in a simplified way to you. Thank you.